Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're going to play Doodlekong, which is the app that I will show you to make in my upcoming premium course coming this week on Saturday on June 12th. And we're going to play this with some other programming YouTubers. On the one hand we have Coding and Flow, Florian, and Code Colors, Federico.
Hello.
And yeah, we will just play this game here and see how this works, so you can also get an impression of what you will actually build in that course. So I actually will create a room here in which we will play the game. It's essentially just kind of a scribble game, so one player needs to draw something and the others then need to guess whatever that player drew. And I will create a room here so we can play the game. Okay, you should be able to join.
Yeah,
Let's see. There we go.
So now the game is waiting for us to start. Okay, now I'm the drawing player. I can now choose one of these three words here. You can see there's a little timer. And these are all programming related words here. I don't even know what to... Let's choose this one. No advertisement here. That is difficult. So I can see the word here, but the others can't.
Let's see. Mobile phone.
Typing on phone is really difficult.
Tablet. It is a... Oh!
Do you know what it is?
That made it so much more difficult because you added some sort of remote. Google console.
It's not a TV.
Well, it's too word. It's too short.
It's sad, yeah, it is.
Maybe you're even
GPU.
playing on it. No, I don't think so, but...
Is it Galaxy?
No.
No.
It's a...
I have emulator.
Yes,
So what's the G stand for?
for Google. When it boots.
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay,
Oh!
yeah.
I got this.
Okay, now, so we basically now see what Federico is drawing. Or writing. What is that? Is it coaching? Is it catching? Is it a bank?
I'll write it better.
I thought he was typing coding in flow. Yes,
Ah! Yeah, you see, I guessed it.
God, he is best.
But what are you drawing?
It's easy.
Oh, maybe I can draw
Okay,
as well.
coding in flow.
What was the logo
Yeah, I'm
like?
done.
Yeah.
I'm
I
done.
should have. Hey, you didn't
So-
let me draw the logo.
So now everybody guessed it, so the
I
next
should have
round will
drawn.
start.
Next time I will draw the logo next time.
Well, I have difficult words. I have no
That's
idea how.
great.
Okay. And by
How
the
the
way, here we
fuck-
can also see the score system. You can also check it out, Federico, now. Oh man, that is difficult as well. Let's do this. We already had this, I think.
Speakers.
No, we didn't have this.
Ah, come on.
No, not speakers.
Navigational component. Come on, Florian, you can't just take mine.
That's
Physically,
easy.
yeah.
Come on, now it's easy.
It's a
Let's
fragment.
add a little bit of color here.
You bastard. View.
Man, do you even know architecture?
Come on, Florian.
now
I,
I
le-
have
I,
it.
learn- I
Now I
learned
have
this
it.
from you, Florian.
Blue one, right?
Variable.
What? X is equal to yo?
One half. No, 1 divided by 0.
Oh,
Yes.
thought it's a Y. Yo. That's it? Is it, oh, what's it called? No. Division by zero exception.
I got it.
Oh, it's exception.
I'm sorry, I'm using the Python syntax.
But the red part gave it away.
Could you read the red part, or was it just red? That
I
gave it away?
couldn't.
I'm sorry of my pharmacist signature.
Is it-
Oh,
what is it? I think I've
that
seen her in
is
the
one-
past. Florian.
That was not on purpose.
Is it?
I can't draw much more about this.
This
It's
is
definitely
hard.
female.
Is it?
It's a female. Okay.
Is it coding related?
Is it 13, 14?
What do you mean 13, 14?
Is it a child?
Is that German numbers?
That's the age of this girl.
1314?
13 minus 14. Minus 1 is...
Oh, that's the age of her.
Oh.
About 13 to 14 years old.
You could have drawn the
Ooh.
logo.
Oh,
I don't even know what it
TikTok!
looks like. But
I don't know what the
it's
logo
a
looks like
music
either.
note, I think.
Yeah, I think it's a music note actually.
But then we might write
Oh.
MP3.
But I already drew music notes.
But it's the wrong music note.
Let's... I have no idea if I get the colors right. But... I don't get the colors right, but...
What can be all of this?
I guess it.
It was Windows.
Yes.
If I'm faster, do I get more points?
Yes.
And
It's an
how is it
intelligent score
calculated?
system.
And how is it calculated? If I'm
Oh,
1 second
yeah.
faster, how much more points do I get?
Close to not many more.
Okay.
It's based on the percentage of the remaining time. So the more time is remaining, the more points you will get.
Oh.
Oh, what is that?
And I have a run.
You,
I'm
you,
already
you
done.
guessed it already? What is?
Yes.
Come on.
Is it
We're
like
Like 1
programmers.
minute ago.
I'm sure it's this. No.
Big letter.
What is it? Is it?
You could have made it a different color.
What other color could you make it?
What?
Blue.
Okay, I can call
Is
it
it
blue.
something to eat?
No.
You're more confused.
Are you happy, Florian?
Not really.
What?
Oops.
You made it worse.
Oh. Man, that's not a cloud.
Not anymore after I put some
That's
blue.
some hills or so, but not a cloud.
Well, I don't know the difference.
Okay.
Forgot how this thing looked.
You know what it is.
Oh,
I think it was like this.
No, I'm too slow.
I think that is perfect. We should even ask Google to change their logo to this one.
But they already have a new logo.
But change it again, you know? Code Palace.
Oh.
Oof.
And that is
Hey,
that
this,
is
one, this
nice.
one's very good.
You need to make a space.
Shit.
Overflowed.
Damn it, Florian.
Is it two separate words? Yeah.
Yes.
I thought it was one word.
Oh, okay. Now we're in my element.
Oh, yeah. Easy.
Python. Just have to type it
Man, even syntax highlighting.
I tried hard, but you don't have purple.
But the closing parentheses is not the right color.
Oh, well, it's not closed at all. Oh, this is a true...
Yes. Is it?
Oh, maybe
Is
it's 7.
Is that even correct?
1 32-bit. That must mean...
Oh,
It's-
I think...
it's
Yeah,
no, it's
easy.
1 32-bit. 2 64 bits.
Yes, that's it.
I have no idea. Integer.
Yes.
Yay! Oh, that's
computer
actually pretty
science.
embarrassing.
Oh man,
I was gonna put short and byte. Oh, we got there finally.
Easy.
I have no idea what that's called.
It's computer science,
Yes.
motherfucker.
Nothing for your level.
I forgot the name. I can't remember. I can't do it.
I mean,
What
you
was
were
it?
already close.
Don't
I
you have
was coded.
don't you have this in Python?
What was it called? Hexadecimal.
Hey.
Was it that?
Yes.
Oh, it's time to do one that's really fun. I'll do it better though.
How does Federico have so many points?
Because I'm very good at drawing.
Oh, okay.
What is this?
I'll show you how it's done.
It's a wall.
Ah, okay, I got it.
Oh. Yes, it's man, I can type.
You see, if you understood it was a wall, it was a good drawing.
Yes.
Philipp, you're a bit behind on points, huh?
I will get you.
It's a diglet.
No, what the fuck am I? No.
If it has 3 letters, it's MP3.
It's what I thought.
Is
I have no idea.
it a grave? Is it?
I want to say apple, but it's
Oh.
3 letters.
Yeah, easy.
What do you mean easy? Is it run?
Why run?
I don't know. I don't know what's...
Maybe it's MP4.
I already tried that.
I'm making it worse. You have to guess it now, come on.
Is it address or address?
It's 3 letters. Just go brute force and try out 3-letter combinations. No.
3 letter.
I don't know anymore. iOS.
Yes.
But
Oh
it's
my-
Apple and an iPhone.
Oh man, that is difficult. I don't even know how... Okay, let's try.
I think
I have no idea how that looks like.
We tried it. Oh, this is easy.
okay, I got it. I already said the word earlier. No, it's not.
It's... I don't know.
If it's not Logitech, I don't know what it can be.
I don't know if that's how the logo looks like, but it's... Man, I use that all the time in my posts.
What?
I do not remember you using that ever.
Mouse.
in your
It's
post.
mouse, right?
Maybe like...
Could be a monkey as well.
Yes.
Don't say yes. It's
has-
I think
so
it
it's
is a
coin. monkey.
No, it's not a coin. I'll leave it.
What has a monkey logo? No,
Hey,
GitHub.
GitHub
Or
does
is
not
it
have a
GitHub like
monkey.
Is it a-
like
It-
cra-
It's a
like
cat
crack, or
alien.
It's a cat. You're right.
It's a
No,
cat
I
alien.
Think, I think GitHub is this water animal with many arms. How is this
This
called?
water animal.
Yeah, how is this called?
A-
I think it's
a
a mixture
kraken.
between cat and octopus. I think it's octopus actually. With a cat head.
An
or something.
octopus.
Yeah,
Pussy, maybe.
but it's mixed with a cat.
Yeah, an octopusy.
But you draw a
Octopus.
monkey. You draw a monkey.
I wasn't sure anymore. What is that? Is it? Man. Okay.
Wow! I need to try
Yeah.
something harder, or else I'm gonna get all the points.
The thing is, with my microphone, I don't see my keyboard. Then I always struggle to find the right letters for my finger.
What a noob! You have to look at your keyboard to type. What a noob!
No, for the initial setup. Once I
I
have
don't
that,
know.
I don't need to look anymore.
This is a birthday cake.
Is it a? Yes. It's. Oh. Is it this? Yes, easy.
It was easy, but you were slower.
Okay, now again something with an animal. This time I get it right.
Oh, you shouldn't have given away so much.
No, it doesn't. It already has a mouth.
It was. Is this a whale? Whale DB.
No.
What could be a bird? Birds logos.
Yeah.
It's Swift.
Okay, I got it. I go with Swift.
Yeah.
Take your time, man.
Man, I'm working so hard. I just typed it all in Google. Can't find a single one.
Man, that's so popular.
I don't know what it is.
Even the color's right. Almost.
Let's see. Nah, I have no idea.
It's a bird. Do
It
you
is
see
a
that?
bird. Bluebird. Ah, it's Twitter.
What the
It's
hell
not
is
the.
Bluebird?
That wasn't a monkey. I was sure about that.
You bastards.
Man, I'm actually catching up.
I don't know, but you're cheating a bit.
I have my server open here on the other screen. Points plus plus. What is this? It's a.
Oh, I have it. I got it. I got it. Type.
Time.
Oh, no, No,
Is it- Man,
Ah,
I
there,
can-
that is.
There's no pink. There's no pink. I couldn't do it. That end. Good drawing. One
I mean, I'm typing letters, but it's not the word itself, right? It's just a hint.
on create.
What?
It must be on create.
Is it? Oh, okay.
Damn it! Are they? Oh, I'm not gonna guess this.
It's Android.
But I wrote life cycle. I just don't know what to go.
Nice hint.
I don't have much more room.
change.
What kind of life cycle?
View
Yes. it's a view.
activity
And people are watching. you.
life.
Yes. Do you feel the
I'm a-
pressure?
No, I'm deprecated. I stopped Android about 6 months
I mean,
ago.
it was close.
What was it? Activity no.
Activity life.
Hashtag.
Hashtag activity life. I will use that in my posts from now on.
Watch your 2,000 likes drop to like 10.
How do we? Okay, let me try to draw this. No.
That was a nice line.
Nobody saw that.
Oh, this is ooh.
No.
I got it. There it is. I already saw this word 50 times since we played this app. I wouldn't have known how I would have drawn this, but you did it well.
Thank you.
The red cross is important.
This
Oh
one.
no.
Is it clear now?
Oh,
Doesn't like circles.
check mark.
It's not pro virus.
Check mark.
I should have known. I should have known.
How does it feel at the bottom, Federico?
I take this very seriously. I have over
Please.
1,000 points.
Is it? Did we already had this? Please forgive me. It's a
Almost.
Please give me code.
Huh? Give me. Ah, is it like? Is there a word missing that we need to
No.
guess?
I mean, you guys are missing a lot of words.
I'm missing even the slightest idea of what that could be. Is it Indian love? I think that would look differently.
It's the correct
A
amount
source
of
code.
letters, though.
Oh,
That's awesome.
I give it to you, Florian, for making the right amount of letters fit.
Yeah.
Oh,
man. What is that?
we're alien. Is it the same from before? It's not
Is
not
it-
TikTok
is it-
this time.
Is it Jesus?
It could have been.
Also of lies.
Man, that's a lot of
So-
hair. Oh, is it a worm with hair? No.
I know it's coding in Flow. I just don't know how to write it in those letters.
Is it?
Because you can see the standing desk.
Yeah. Is it a day in the life of coding in Flow? Is this
Is this a prediction?
man? The table is a little bit too high.
I want to write software engineer.
I have no idea.
That's close.
Web developer.
Damn it! That was close.
Guess it? Oh no,
I did-
time is up.
No, I wrote app developer, but we were getting there.
But
I mean, he has a long beard and
That was actually really good. Good picture.
yeah.
I wish my phone was bigger. What could be a turtle? I wrote that first.
I have
is
it.
it? Yeah. Okay.
And I already typed it 5 minutes ago.
But I can type it. Oh, it was. So it was a mouse.
Yes.
I just didn't understand what. Ooh.
That's clear. Oh, 2 letters.
Are you? You probably already know, huh?
I have one word in my mind, but there could be multiple.
I'm going for brute force.
You can't. Oh, this is good.
What? Is it a cow has 3 letters?
It's not a cow.
Oh, where's the letter here? Okay. Yeah,
This is the
that's
most
good.
accurate logo drawn in my life.
Okay.
That's
go,
actually good,
right.
yes.
I had to Google it though. I do not take responsibility for copyrights with the Go logo.
Okay. I don't want my video to be demonetized.
You
Because
will
of-
probably get a copyright strike as well.
Yes, for all of our great paintings here.
What could this
Okay.
possibly be? Oh,
can barely-
I know.
barely see it.
You just did it the different color. Oh, damn it, Philip.
Oh.
Who in their right mind puts black on dark blue?
Oh man.
Yeah, it's barely this.
It's bad CSS choice.
I will pick a very difficult one.
Ah, this one's easy. Damn it.
Oops.
What could this be? If not garbage collection.
Let's also give him some pants.
Damn it!
Collect more.
Garbage. So you took my idea and you made it perfect, huh?
Yes.
Why didn't you put the arrow on the guy?
Oh, you left. Leave the room and then rejoin.
Okay. Can I rejoin?
Yes.
Is that
And
true?
he,
I'm
and he
back.
actually
Look.
kept his points. Didn't he?
Yes, it's an intelligent score system, as I said.
Oh, that's a great feature, Philip.
Yes.
It's not intelligent because I'm
Will you
in
teach
Now
us?
we now we have that on video, man. That's good for the course.
Are
Will
you
teach
guys
somewhere how to do this?
Yes, I teach all of this.
are you guys
Oh.
in the game?
Yes.
Yes.
I mean, even if you randomly disconnect and rejoin, then you're still the drawing player.
Ah, is that why? So do you guys know what I'm drawing?
That was actually the most difficult part of this game, that you properly handle disconnects. But what is this?
Yeah, that must be pretty hard to disconnect and reconnect. I didn't have time to draw it because I was confused.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah,
so now I get it.
pretty clear.
It's all the green and the hair.
Yes,
Wow, very nicely done with no connection issues
thank you.
on joining.
Yeah. I mean, there can be so many different types of disconnects here. You can just minimize the
Yeah.
app, you can intentionally leave, you can lose internet connection. There's so much that can go wrong.
Let's find out what Florian's drawing. Did you get it?
No. It's a
Random tree forest.
Let me just
Is it-
Google if I'm actually.
oh,
It is
oh,
not
oh
right.
no, don't.
I'm getting it right. Should
I'm
be,
working so hard.
Oh, is it?
Should make sense. I mean,
It's not Logcat.
It's a literal translation of the word.
Timber.
Oh, yeah, I didn't know that.
I wrote it wrong. No!
Timber. That's
Yep, but-
the British
yeah.
version.
I thought that's how the library was spelled.
Oh man,
Man, good thing Google understands me, or else I couldn't code.
Oops.
Oh, scary guy.
Yes.
Must be Florian. It's a bird. It's a flower. No, there's no way.
Oops. No, not Twitter this time.
But what could
Like
it be with a
this.
penguin?
Okay, I got it.
Yeah, you just revealed it. I think it's actually sitting on the real logo. Bitcoin, yeah.
What could, let's see.
That's-
Let's see what Google says. While
That is the Bitcoin logo.
hey, I'm too late, but it's Linux.
Yeah.
You're always helping me.
I'll be quiet from now on.
Man, I just realized how many animals there are in logos. Oh, is it? I think I know it. No, I don't.
No, that's too long.
What? I think
I'm gonna add some color because I love adding colors.
no. Huh?
Looks like a hammer.
A hammer, a hashtag, and a Wi-Fi signal. Oh, network.
You get it? Because it's a net and the hammers for work is network.
Oh, oh.
I should have done that. I could have done that better, but...
Oh man.
Yep. I went there. So what's the temperature like in that part of Germany?
Warm.
One.
Yes.
Really?
Warm.
As it-
Warm,
as it-
not one.
A warm.
I also understood one.
Like here in Scandinavia, it's already 25 degrees, and for some reason,
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out what this is. By the way,
Is me too.
Alternative solution.
That's Scotland. Is it Corlin?
No, what the fuck did I try?
What is it? Yes.
Oh,
Oh,
I was gonna write coroutines, but
Yeah.
it still wouldn't get it because it's coroutine. I was doing so good when we started.
It wasn't drawn perfectly.
Sure.
Oh.
I know this one. I was looking at it. Ah, shit. What could it be, Florian?
Nope. Maybe I'm
Yeah,
missing
I
this
fell in
one.
that trap.
Another one.
Did you put the negation symbol? Yeah, there you go.
Now it should be clear.
You
No,
didn't
but
put
I-
the you forgot exponential power and the binary. What do they call those?
the-
Binary operators?
Yeah, I think it. Unary, I think.
Unary, yeah. Where you can
Just
move like
the-
bytes to left and right.
Oh,
these
but I
ones,
typed operators.
Yeah,
I wrote operators as well for it.
that was just the ultimate bait.
Yeah, it was.
But the word is so long.
Is oh. Anti-Android.
Welcome to Code Palace.
Yes. Oh, maybe it's Code Palace.
Ah, it was close.
I weak? Is that a verb?
One.
Oh, okay. One week. Is it what? Deprecate? Oh,
I worked hard, but
should be
Yeah, but I-
one
but I
day
guess
rather.
I would have written day, but I couldn't think. Florian got it pretty fast. There was like 1 second left.
Oh, you left again.
Stop saying that, I'm still here. It says Florian is choosing a word. Did it say I joined again?
Do you now see what he draws?
Should I rejoin?
Yeah, rejoin. Leave and rejoin. Then it should work.
Yay! I see something blue. Right?
Yes. Yes. What is that? Is it like my dentist?
Is your teeth blue?
No, but you wouldn't see white.
Is that a
Is it
very
a-
bad dentist joke?
Is that a kiss?
Yeah, it is blue.
Great, we figured that out.
Okay.
We've established that that one is blue.
You asked it, is the teeth blue? Yes, it is.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let's see, what is?
Oh. Oh.
We should have gone with it.
Oh.
Philip. I just don't understand
Man,
what the lipstick's about.
But yeah, that was
It's a
confusing.
mouth. It's a mouth because it's a tooth that lives in theoretically. The tooth lives in the mouth.
You could just write the teeth.
Oops.
I was about to type cube as well.
We are very basic.
Let's- Man, okay, I think that's dumb.
Oh, I really want to write Cubase, but ooh,
What?
it's a small room. Could you draw a bed next time?
I'm sorry.
My room doesn't have a lamp and a desk and a
Oh.
table. Okay, got this.
That guy doesn't look that healthy.
He's been coding in too much Java recently.
Yeah, I can understand. But is it? Oh, you already tried that. But it must be online.
It's pure Code Palace humor.
Oh, is it? Haha. Oh, yes, now I get it.
I worked hard, huh?
Yeah.
I'm sorry my drawing skills are not the best. My goal in the next picture is to not use any words at all.
That's a good goal in the drawing game.
Well, I'll think about it.
Oh, man, that is so long.
Navigational.
Oh, we all.
component.
Is it with an S? No.
We'll never get it.
What? What?
Philip, you need to add to your game that we can guess better.
Yes, the guess better feature.
It's too hardcore, you know?
The premium tier.
But to be fair, Florian could have also done this in a different way.
Yes, I think so too.
So who guessed it, who didn't? Philip didn't guess it yet.
Well,
I'll tell you what he could have done different as soon as we finish.
I mean, this is how it looks.
No,
Visually.
you could have drawn a single navigation
oh,
component.
you wrote navigation null component.
Yeah, and you wrote navigation components.
Yeah, because I think he already guessed navigation component and it was not it.
Okay.
No, I do that to throw you off.
Oh. Oh man, this will be difficult. Huh, what do we do? You won't guess this.
Ooh. Damn, it's not the same.
This is so difficult to draw. No, this is important.
No, you can't try the red dot and say it's important. It's probably just a compilation error.
No. I mean, I could write a word to this, but then
Yeah, it will destroy the
would
purpose.
reveal a part of the actual word. See, it's a live icon in TV.
I would put
and
a tree.
You would put a tree.
Yeah.
But the the TV doesn't have the live icon. It's usually on the camera, no?
I mean, I know that from news shows or so. What's this? Oh, I think. Oh,
Did you guys guess it that fast?
I was quicker.
It's just the same time. I was gonna draw I5, but I guess
What is
that's
that?
straightforward. Oh, come on, we know who this is.
What?
Man, who else could this be?
Oh.
Did you guess it?
Yes.
I hate that this game
Should be
forces
very
us
obvious.
to acknowledge it.
Um.
Oof. Ah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go for it.
Oh. Man, I can type. At least this way, we all practice how to correctly spell my name.
Hey, I learned how to spell your name after you told me how to spell it. The first time.
That's great. Most people don't.
But why do you have two P's at the end? Is it a very German thing to do?
I think it's the only right thing to do.
I'll show. What about Prince Philip, you know?
Yeah, it's not right. Is it? What is that? Oh.
It's computer
Oh, damn
science
it.
again.
But you wrote a recycle symbol.
Yeah.
Oh, let's
Because
try
it's
this
a
one.
circle.
Could also be recursion. What could be that large? Notification manager.
Man, I can't make it more clear. What is a live notification?
You know?
You're so close.
There's no way I was close. What was it? God damn it.
When you see the solution, it makes sense.
Yes.
But I like that you have to try doing the plural all the time.
Yes.
Damn it. Let's see how this is gonna be done.
Oh no. Why do I even have that in the list?
Not a bad drawing, huh?
Could have also been shit with 4 letters.
Yes.
Wave.
Poop.
Come on, I know this one. It's either that or the other.
Huh? What?
I did the exact same drawing.
Yeah.
The exact same drawing.
I'm Florian stealing my artwork. I should have put some copyrights immediately.
Is it?
Oh, that is so true.
Oh, look at the letters.
Yeah, that doesn't help me. Is it?
It's Florian again. But this time he added a small feature at the bottom of
Oh,
This one. Yeah. This one is also very popular.
oh. Man, that,
Did you find it
the
out?
thing is, all social media platforms are the same regarding the content.
At the bottom, that's Philipp.
Oh, so I was the top left, huh?
Right.
Great.
That's it.
I got this.
I can also make it a little bit more clear.
Come on, not this again. X decimal.
Oh. I don't want to make another error.
I got it. Oh, almost.
You got it. Close. Did you count the letters? Maybe you need to do one more.
I did 6. I think 6 is right.
Oh, it's 7.
I can't do it. Doesn't work. This... You bastard.
It's all about this.
It was not 7. It's so it's hash. F.
Yeah, I mean it's an address. It's computer science again.
I like. Anyways.
That hashtag looks weird with that font.
Yeah, it does.
No, it's selected on. Yeah, there we go. I have. Oh, there we go.
Oh.
Not so bad, huh?
No.
And people learn Python just by watching this video.
No, that's Kotlin. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, no,
you
no.
don't use except in Kotlin.
Oh.
I can't think.
Can't help you with that one.
For except. Where do you use that?
Is this try for except?
Yeah.
Because I know it wouldn't compile.
Keyword.
Yeah. Let's do one more round, at least for the recording.
Yeah, okay. Let's see.
Is it Minecraft?
Ah, come on. This one is a classic.
What?
Philip, you know it better than anyone.
Oh.
Not better than Florian, but almost
Is it-
anyone.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
6-letter
super.
word dependency injection.
Is it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, of course, it's
But
what.
try with 2 V's instead of a W.
Is it just this?
No, come on.
What?
That's why I did not circle the syringe. I circled the
Is it-
sword.
It's not a sword.
Oh, it's not a sword.
So who got the top
Okay,
score?
okay, let me...
Oh, Philip, you have 2 points more than
Yeah, easy
Code
peasy.
Palace.
That's it. Thank you for watching this far. If you enjoyed that game and if you actually want to learn how you can make this game on your own, then you don't want to miss my course launch this week's Saturday. So on June 12th, mark that in your calendar. And on that date, I will actually also upload another YouTube video here on my channel where I will just go through frequently asked questions about that course and just show you in more detail what we will build and what you will get. So don't miss it, and I wish you an awesome day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.